Hi friends, welcome back. Today we are going to solve Leetcode problem 2042. Check if numbers are ascending in a sentence. Before we look into the description and the details of the solution, I just want to mention that my channel focuses on helping people who are preparing for coding and Java interviews. I have created a lot of playlists of like all sorts of problems which are asked by big tech companies like Amazon, Apple, Google, Facebook, Microsoft, and many others. And the playlist contains like variety of problems like dynamic programming, linked list related interview questions, string related interview questions, then BFS, DFS, binary search trees, and graphs, and binary search. So all those important topics which are important with respect to the coding interviews are covered there. If you are Java developer or learning Java or preparing for interviews, please subscribe to the channel. Here you will find a lot of good examples and materials for your interview preparation. So let's look into the problem statement first. A sentence is a list of tokens separated by single space with no leading or trailing spaces. Even token is either a positive number consisting of digits 0 to 9 with no leading zeros, or a word consisting of lowercase English letters. For example, a puppy has 2 eyes, 4 legs is a sentence with 7 tokens. 2 and 4 are numbers and other tokens are words, right? Given a string S representing sentence, you need to check if all the numbers S are strictly increasing from left to right, right? Other than last number, each number is strictly smaller than the number on its right in S, right? So they have given us some examples here. So one box has 3 blue, 4 red, 6 green, and 12 yellow marbles, right? So what they have done is we have to take out the numbers from this string, right? So 1, 3, 4, 6, 12, and we have to make sure that they are in strictly increasing order, right? So if that is the case, then we will have to return true. Here 5 and 5, right? So they are not in increasing order, right? Because 5 is not less than next 5, so we have to return false. In this case, 7, 51, 50, 60 also is not in strictly ascending order, right? 51 is greater than 50, so we have to return false. Here they just gave directly all the numbers in ascending order, so we should return true. So the reason for creating this video, it's not a very difficult problem, but I just wanted to share the clean solution I found here. So let's go through the solution. So I am first splitting the string based on spaces, right? Because everything is space, right? One space box has a space between box and has, right? So we are splitting the string and we are getting string array. Then I created a prev as a variable and assigned it to 0 in the initialization. Then we are going to iterate through all these tokens, right, from this string array one by one, this str, and we are going to parse it in an integer, right? If it is integer, we will be able to parse it. If it is just a string, it will throw exception and we will not do anything in the catch exception, right? Because we want to continue processing all the other tokens. So if in case of a number, we will capture that number here and we will make sure that the number that we are getting is less than or equal to the previously seen number, right? Because we want in a strictly ascending order, right? Strictly increasing order we want, basically. That's why we will always check if number we are currently seeing is if it is less than the previous number, right, then that is false. We will immediately return false from there. Otherwise we will keep processing in the for loop. If that is if after for loop, if a control reaches here, it means that we might have found some numbers which are in ascending order, right? So we will return true in that case. So let us take some these examples and make sure it works fine. So as you can see, we are getting correct output here. We'll just use all the other test cases as well and make sure everything is passing. So all test cases are passed here, as you can see. So we will just go ahead and submit our solution. So our solution got accepted by Leetcode. So this is the way we can solve this problem. Check if numbers are ascending in a sentence, right? So this is a very clean solution, like in Java. So uh, using like this exception thing, like we will just always try to parse the token. If it is not a word, it will throw exception, and we will just in catch block we will not do anything, we will continue processing. So I just thought that I'll share this solution with you. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel now. My channel focuses on helping people who are preparing for coding and Java interviews. It has lots of solved problems that consist of a variety of problems which are important with respect to coding interviews, such as dynamic programming, graph related problem, binary search tree related problems, also binary search related problems, string linked list related problems. So all those different variety of problems handpicked and created the playlist. So please check it out, and thanks for watching the video.